Deflate. You got any predictions for 25? Good or bad? Hopefully, mixture. Deep Flake is asking, you got any predictions for 2025? Good or bad? Hopefully, a mixture. Laugh out loud. Gold, silver up. Stock market may do a serious tumble, but then it'll kick back up again. Maybe not into 2025, maybe 2026 it'll kick back up again. More wars, more collapse, economic demise of certain countries. Lots of chaos coming through, lots of people having nervous breakdowns, the woke ideology people that have bought into it hook, line, and sinker are going to have a rude fucking awakening. Rude awakening, right? Unemployment kicking up, inflation kicking up, maybe another injection of money into the system, but interest rates in the long run will kick up again because we're going to get major inflation. A lot of things happening. Stock up.